Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into some powerful productivity tips that can truly transform your day. But before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our content. Number 1. Plan your day the night before. It's a game changer. Prepping the night before creates a smooth morning routine and sets the tone for a productive day. Tip number 2. Take care of tasks that require 5 minutes or less immediately. Addressing these brief tasks right away helps avoid clutter and stress in the future, showcasing peak efficiency. Next up, number 3. Create a morning ritual. Waking up early, squeezing in some exercise, and practicing meditation can significantly improve your life. Consistency is key. Tip number 4. Follow the 80-20 rule. Focus your energy on tasks that yield significant results. It's all about maximizing productivity. And finally, tip number 5. Get enough rest. Without proper rest, personal improvement becomes a challenge. It's essential for a positive mood and enhanced concentration. There you have it, 5 game-changing productivity tips. If you found these helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay productive.